get started. So firstly, the output is still building. Few things which I want to tell you is you should open this documentation because I will be copying a lot of code from this. Second, we can't use the image view of React Native, we have to use the UI image view of iOS. Third is you have to run this on a real device, won't work on a simulator. Also, I have already made a similar tutorial using the vision framework, but this is using the core image, so choose whichever suits your needs. So firstly, as usual, I have created a React Native project, and the first thing which you have to do is you will cd to your iOS directory inside your terminal and then run this command. So this will enable the new architecture for iOS. Once that is done, create a folder called rtn_my_image_view. Inside that, create a file called package.json. Again, I have copy pasted everything from documentation, only this name has been changed, this name has been changed, and this has been changed. Then create a podspec file. Again, I have copy pasted it from documentation and only this name has been changed. Then create a js folder. Inside that, create typescript file. Again, I have copy pasted it from docs, only the props has been removed and this name has been changed. Now the documentation says that create an iOS folder. We won't be creating over here, we will be writing all the code inside the main iOS folder. So next, you will have to again open your terminal, cd to the root of your React Native project and firstly run this command. Then do cd ... It will move you outside your React Native project, and then you will have to run this particular command. So here you can see that instead of rnapp person segmentation using core image, write your own project name. As you can see, my project name is rnapp person segmentation using core image. So you'll have to change it over here as well as over here. So run this. Once that this is done, again you will have to cd to the main iOS folder which we have and then run this command. So this will do pod install for that. Then you can use your import something like this and use it like this. Now seeing the actual implementation, you will have to open the XC workspace of iOS inside Xcode. I have already opened it. Firstly, you will have to go to the general tab and here you will have to click on this plus. Make sure the minimum deployment is at least iOS 15. Then you will have to go to the images folder and here I have added few images. Then again, coming back to our documentation, it says that create a header file, so I have created it over here. And here you can see I have copy pasted it from docs, only this name has been changed. Then I have created another file, objective-c file, but change the extension to .mm as you can see over here, so it is objective-c++. Again, I have copy pasted it from docs, only this name and this name has been changed. Then I have created another objective-c file, again change the extension to .mm, so it is objective-c++. Here we are adding our import. This has been copied from docs, only this and this has been changed. Okay, I'll quickly show you guys the output. So here you can see this was not my original image. So if you see inside my images folder, this was the image for which I did a person segmentation. I'll quickly run it again so that I can show you guys the output from the very start. Again, coming back to our code, so here this should be the name of your project, so change it accordingly because we want to utilize Swift in this objective-c file. And here we will be using this import. We can't use this import which is specified in the docs because we are writing the code inside the main iOS folder. Again, this has been copied from docs, only this name and this name has been changed. Here we are initializing our Swift file, which I will show you shortly. Again, this has been copied from docs and only this name has been changed. Here we initialize our view, initialize our Swift file, add our Swift file to our view. Again, this has been copied from docs and only this name and this name has been changed. Then we create a Swift file called my image view. So Xcode will ask, do you want to create a bridging header? Click yes. So here we import core image CI filters built in. We create our UI image view. This is our background thread. Add our image view to our sub view. As a sub view, do some NS layout constraints, create our UI image. Now here you will have to change the image name to whatever you have added inside the images folder. Append our image to our image view. Then on the background thread, we just run the CI filter.person segmentation and segmentation filter.input image equal to input. Then we get the mask and then we assign it to our image view. And this is boilerplate code which you have to write. So I'll quickly show you guys the output. First you will see the original image and within few seconds, milliseconds, it will do person segmentation. So hopefully you saw that. So yeah, this is all the code. You can just copy paste it. If you want, I can run it for one more image. Sorry, image 3 I will take. Again, I'm running the output on iPad, so it looks a little weird, but I think on iOS it will look pretty perfect. At least like for if you are running it on iPad, you have to do some extra configuration inside your React Native project. I haven't done that. That's why you see once the person segmentation is applied, the height of the image gets reduced. That's why. Fully okay. Also hopefully I've shown you inside app.tsx you can import it something like this. So hopefully you saw the output. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.